This training will walk you through how to use the Archivists Toolkit for creating name records. The Archivists Toolkit manages information about the materials held in special collections. Click on the icon on your desktop or Start menu. When you have logged into the system, you can access the Names portion of the database by double-clicking on the Names button to bring up a list of name records previously entered into the system. To enter a record, press the New Record button below the menu items. This will bring up a blank record form in a new window. The Name Record form includes 3 tabs for entering information about the entity: Details, Non-Preferred Forms, Accessions, Resources, and Digital Objects, and Contact Information. The first of these tabs, the Details tab, includes information about the entity, including their official name, a sort name value, and a biographical or administrative history sketch. The interface for entering information about persons, families, and corporate bodies varies slightly depending on the record being entered. The Non-Preferred Forms, Accessions, Resources, and Digital Objects tab includes space for recording other names used by the entity, as well as for managing the links between the name record and the descriptions of archival materials held in the system. The final tab, Contact Information, allows users to record contact names, addresses, and phone numbers of donors or vendors. The Contact Information tab also includes the option of recording notes, which may be used by curators to record information about transactions or interactions with individuals or organizations. While the Archivists Toolkit allows users to record a wide array of information about accessions, in the Perry Special Collections the following fields are required. On the Details tab, the primary name, source, and citation fields. The biography field is mandatory for names used as creators when available. Additional information may also be entered and managed in the Archivists Toolkit as desired, or at the request of individual curators. Now, let's go through the process of entering a new name record. Before entering a name into the Archivists Toolkit, first check to see if it is already listed in the Library of Congress Name Authority file. If you do find the name, the form that you find will be recorded as is in the Archivists Toolkit. Turning now to the Archivists Toolkit, to begin a new record, click on the New Record button below the application menu items. A dialog box will appear asking which type of name record you would like to create: a person, corporate body, or family record. Select the appropriate type of record from the drop-down and click OK. A blank record will then appear in a new window. In a person or corporate body record, enter the name of the entity in the primary name field. For families, enter the name of the family in the family name field. Names found in the Library of Congress should be divided up and entered in the appropriate fields. Along with the name components, the source of the name should also be entered. For names taken from the Library of Congress, select NACO on the drop-down. For names taken from other sources, select Local as the source for the record. This value will be changed during cataloging to the correct value. Finally, for locally created name entries, the source of information used to create the record should be recorded in the citation field, as well as a description of what information was found. For creator name entries, the name record should also include a short biographical summary about the entity. Information on the content of these notes is provided in a separate training. All the information recorded in these notes should have sources provided in the citation field. Once these fields have been filled out, the name record is complete. You should then click on the Save button at the bottom of the record, and once it is saved, you may click on Close. If you have any questions, please consult your curator.